Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be participating in a Memorial Day Tablescape for 2020, and it's hosted by the Thrift Queen, which is Joan's channel. And I'm going to list Joan's channel along with a complete playlist down below in the description box so you can watch what everybody is doing for Memorial Day and for their tablescapes. Now let's get going and I'll show you what I'm doing for mine. First off, let me just mention, please ignore my deck. I know it looks awful. We kind of went from winter straight to summer here and kind of skipped spring. So we haven't had kind of that time where we got to clean up everything and kind of get ready for summer here. Well, let me show you what we did to decorate for Memorial Day. I went with a traditional red, white, and blue theme. And right here you can see I have, to begin with, my glasses. I have these really pretty blue wine glasses which I purchased from Dollar Tree. I have smaller glasses which had the stars on them. I purchased those from Walmart. Inside those glasses, I have these little fans, which are just perfect for a nice hot day. And I purchased those little fans from Dollar Tree. Then here on my table setting, you can see that I have right in the center a red velvet cupcake with some cream cheese frosting. And my eldest daughter made that for my daughter-in-law for her birthday. And it fit in just perfect with the red and white and blue theme, so I snagged those and put them on our plates here. Here I have this really pretty red pitcher, and I actually thrifted that, and so I will show you more of that on a thrift haul coming up here in the next week or so. Inside that pitcher, I have some florals. Most of my florals came from Walmart, but I do have just a couple in there from Dollar Tree. Here I have this red lantern, which I purchased from Walmart in their after Christmas sale. And I have that on a thrift haul too if you're interested in that. And in the lantern, I have a red, white, and blue scarf, which I purchased from Dollar Tree, along with some twinkle lights, which I purchased from Myers. And here I'm just putting this little fan inside our little cup from Dollar Tree, or our little cup from Walmart. And right here in the center, underneath the pitcher and the lantern, I have another scarf that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And I think that just looks beautiful on there as a table runner. And then you can see going right up the pole of my umbrella, I'm using a third scarf from Dollar Tree. Let me just put this fan back in this cup here, and I'll show you how we put our table setting together. I have this white placemat here, which I purchased at Myers, and it actually has lemons on the other side. I just flipped it over, and I'm just using the plain white side. Then I have this red plate from Dollar Tree, and on top of the red plate, I'm adding a white linen napkin. And on top of that white linen napkin, I'm adding this blue plate, also from Dollar Tree. Just like that, and now I'm just going to put our cupcake right back on the center of our plate here. And that's perfect. And then I just have some silverware sitting there, and that's all I'm doing for the actual table setting itself. So everything that is on here is pretty much purchased from Walmart and Dollar Tree, with just one or two things thrown in from Meijer or else things I already had. Now here's one of the most important things, and this is a pillow I purchased last year at Walmart, and it says support our troops. And let's not forget that is really what Memorial Day is all about, is remembering those who sacrificed and gave their lives and gave everything so that we could have the freedoms that we have today. If you see someone who's in the military or who has been in the military, remember to thank them. You know, they've really put their lives on the line, and we have so many freedoms because of all those who've gone before us and who have sacrificed for us. So that's really important to me. I mean, that's really what this holiday is about. It's not about celebrating in a happy way. It's more about remembering the things that those who have served our country have done that for us. And so I'm very, very appreciative to all of our military personnel, those who are fighting for our freedoms right now, even as we speak, and for those who have done it in the past. I'm very grateful. And so if you were in the military, thank you. Thank you for your service. Thank you for helping to make our country a free country. Here is another one of my pillows that I purchased last year at Walmart with the stars and the stripes. And I'm not sure if I showed you, I have a third pillow on another chair, and that one says USA. Oh, there it is, right there in the background. I don't know if I zoom in on that one, but yes, that one says USA over there. So this is our complete tablescape with the red, white, and blue theme, and in remembrance, in a thankful heart for all of our troops and all those who served to make this a better country. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching.